Good morning, students. Welcome to General Science class. We are learning the 11th lesson, isn't it? And we have completed our 11th lesson looking after our resources. I want everyone to read the lesson at least thrice, okay? 3 times. At least 3 times you have to read the lesson, okay? And today we have to discuss about the exercise part. All of you turn to page number 65. Page number 65 you take. And let's see the question answers first. Let's see the question answers. Take page number 65. Okay. Then first one. Answer the following in that first one. Why should we be careful about the way we use our fuel resources? First question. Why should we be careful about the way we use our fuel resources? What is the answer for that? We should be careful about the way we use our fuel resources because it takes millions of years to form these fuels. Okay. If we use them up very fast, we may run out of them in a couple of 100 years. That is the answer for that. You will get the answer from the first paragraph itself. Okay. Okay. First paragraph itself, you will get the answer for that. Then, next question, what can we use instead of fuels to get the energy we need? What can we use instead of fuels to get the energy we need? What are the answers? Okay, instead of fuels, we can use sunlight, wind and water to get energy. Okay. Then third question. What steps have many countries taken to save wildlife? The answer is, to save wildlife, many countries have set up wildlife park and sanctuaries where animals are protected. Okay. In order to save the wildlife, many countries have set up wildlife park and sanctuaries to protect the animals. Okay, where animals are protected. Then fourth question. What does recycling means? Name 3 things that can be recycled. Okay. Recycling means what? Recycling means using the materials of old things to make new things. Name 3 things that we can recycle. Glass, plastic, metals, paper and all. Okay. Then fifth question. Mention 1 step we can take to reduce air pollution. Mention 1 step we can take to reduce air pollution. Okay. We can switch to fuels that cause less pollution. Okay. And another one, by walking, cycling, using public transport and forming carpools. Okay. These are some of the way we can reduce air pollution. Then mention 2 things that cause water pollution. Answer for that. The wastewater from our kitchens, bathroom and toilet. Then wastewater from factories. These are the things that can cause water pollution. Okay. Then 7th question. What can we do to deal with the shortage of water? Okay. One way of dealing with the shortage of water is to stop wasting water. Another way is to harvest or trap rainwater. Okay. Then 8th question. Mention 1 way of saving forest. How can we save forest? By recycling, isn't it? Okay. Recycling can save the forest. Okay. Recycling old paper to reduce the need of fresh supplies of trees to make paper also discourage deforestation and save forest. Okay. 9th question. What is rainwater harvesting? Okay. What is rainwater harvesting? What is rainwater harvesting? The process of storing rainwater. The process of storing rainwater. Okay. Then come to true or false. Plant waste can be used to make compost. True or false? It is true. Okay. Trees make water rush down faster along slope. No, false. Garbage dumped on land cannot pollute groundwater. No, false. Okay. Air pollution is harmful for plants. Yes, correct. It is true. CNG causes less pollution than other fuels. That is true. Okay. Carbon dioxide in the air is harmful for our health. No, false. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. Trapping and using rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Then breathing polluted air can lead to dash diseases. Respiratory diseases. Okay. Then chemicals like detergents dash water bodies. Pollute. Okay. Mountain soil can be protected by dash farming. Step farming. Step. Okay. Then materials of old things are dash to make new things. Recycled. Okay. Then compost improve the dash of the soil. Fertility of the soil. Okay. This is the exercise part, and then all of you read the lesson well, and I'll send question answers little by little. Okay. Thank you.